We are two friends on a mission to mountain bike the Mawson Trail in stages. Join us on this adventure as we tackle this 900-kilometer trail from Adelaide all the way to the Flinders Ranges in South Australia. Our first challenge is a 3-day trip from Adelaide to Burra in the mid-north. We will bike through scenic wine country of the Adelaide Hills, Barossa and Clare Valley, finishing in the historical town of Burra. Today we are tackling the 100-kilometer route from Adelaide to Tanunda. We were super excited, but little did we know what waited for us in the Adelaide Hills.
Feeling good now.
You're feeling good. What is your expectations?
That we will survive.
Survival. 6 or 7 kilometers to go to the start, and then we are gonna hit the Adelaide Hills. Heading up Gorge Road with the Torrens River on the left hand side. Start of the Mawson Trail, and it's right up here by the weir on the Torrens River. So there we go. The Mawson is officially started. Phew. Right, so we're turning off Gorge Road, and now we're really heading into the hills.
Hey! Oh no!
First major climb of the day, and I do think we might be pushing at some point. I think we climb a couple hundred meters in this first section.
Yeah.
Well, it's been just a couple of kilometers of sustained uphill, pushing the bikes, but what goes up must come down at some point.
Ooh! Yeah! Made it to the top!
Alright, I hope this is the top. Oh, that was a short little downhill. About 10 kilometers an hour. We should be rolling in just before sunset. Oh, mama!
Oh no!
Mike's working hard. What did I say, Mike? Sweat is fat crying.
I thought we were going for a bike ride today, not a bushwalk.
That's true. All right, another big hill. Go, Mike! Go, Mike! Yeah, I think we should have a snack and eat something. Still happy, Mike?
Well, only an eighth of the way.
Hardest part's done. Hopefully we can make a bit of progress onto Lobethal. We still have a long way to go. Alright, so just stopping and having a quick rest in Lobethal. What do you think, Mike? How's that? Mike's just recovering, but it's been tough so far. It's been tough, but good. Tough but good.
Yeah.
Lobethal Bakery on the right. Normally very popular, but today's a public holiday. Lobethal is just a beautiful little down on the hills. This is what it's all about. Beautiful countryside. Some nice downhills for a change. On the way to Birdwood, punching out some road miles. Definitely easier. Some nice downhill. Yay! Made it into Birdwood. Wow, look at these beautiful colors. Hey. Great stop. We feel revived.
I'm ready. Up the hill. Put this hill here.
So we're leaving Birdwood and we're heading to Mount Crawford. And then towards the end of the day we'll be cycling into the Barossa.
I just hope we're going the right way.
We are definitely going the way of the Mawson.
Okay.
Which is the scenic route.
Just give me a direct route to Tanunda.
Recalculating. Beautiful little section on the Mawson going through Mount Crawford Forest. Just nice, level, straight, and getting some easy kilometers on the board.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Yep.
Lactic acid.
Well, we made it out of Mount Crawford, which was actually pretty good. Mike scared me saying there's all these hills, but it wasn't too bad. And so we're just gonna finish off the last little bit before we hit the Barossa. So we've got a few climbs left, and so we're hitting the energy gels, giving the legs a stretch. Nice one.
Good, all good.
All good. We made it up to the view.
We're at the top. I'm hanging out for a hot shower and some food.
Yeah.
It's been a long day, but it's unbelievable, the sights.
It's been a tough slog to get to this point, but the views are absolutely stunning and it's just amazing to be out here and enjoy all these views.
Amen, brother.
Yeah. Amen. Just look at that. That's the Barossa. So tomorrow we'll be going through the Barossa all the way into the Clare Valley. Wow, this is so beautiful.
Stunning, isn't it?
We timed it perfectly.
We did, actually.
I'll hold your bike.
You're riding into the sunset.
Oh man, it's so dramatic. Look at the clouds. I think we've got about 10 k's left into Tanunda, so the Mawson kind of goes around the back side of Tanunda, so almost there.
Look at that.
That's amazing. Just a beautiful moon rise up ahead.
It's a blood moon.
We cycled into Tanunda, tired but thankful for an epic day. We found our motel and ended the day with some good food at a local restaurant. In the next video, we will tackle the long but beautiful stretch all the way to Clare Valley. Riding into Tanunda, heading to the main street, and then we look for our hotel for the night. Good morning. So we had a beautiful sleep last night here in Clare.